Good morning, guys. It's been a long time we have not seen each other. Long time, guys, long time. But we're here back, and especially today is a chill day. Let's see if we're gonna take a trade. Not sure about that, but we'll figure it out soon. Yeah. Holiday live session on. Hello, Fayaz. Hello, Sean. Good morning, my friend. Wait, Sean, is it your birthday today? Or was it a few days ago? I'm not good at birthdays. Let me see. Was it your birthday? No, February 8th. It was not you then. Alfonso, long time no see. Guys, how are you guys? Everyone. February 8th. I thought you were. It was not you then. I don't even know. Ah, no, this is Shalan Sean. The payout guy. Oh, that's different. That's different type of Sean. February 8th is it's a bit too far for a birthday gift. A bit too far. How are you guys? How is everyone, guys? I'm back from holiday. I'm back from holiday. Market is opening in. Market is open. Market is open and it's not moving. Maybe we're just losing time today here. As the market is open and is not actually moving. Literally. That's crazy, huh? Market, okay, right now is doing a little bit of something. Bank holiday, yeah, so we're here just to chill. Yeah, it's a full-on holiday, right? Let's chill together a little bit and then we see if we take something, but I don't think so. We just chill around today. You're not trading today, Fayaz? You do good. Look at that. Not moving at all. Yes, it's coming to the low side there on the left. This might be a very quick live stream if that's the market wants to do. But yeah, not much then. By the way, you see something new? I have a range bar chart here on the right. There's something about new strategy. Guys, it's a very simple strategy in a way that you see I have two moving average here. One is the 200, one is the 100, 101 I put, does not make big difference, 100, 101. I still look at the direction on a daily chart and higher time frame. I like to have a bigger picture anyway. But the idea is taking trades only from 9.5, of course, from the market open ahead. The strategy, at least on the 50K accounts, will be one trade only on the 50K accounts, and on 300K accounts or 150K account, if they go back to 5K drawdown or 4K drawdown, they will go as well to 2 trades a day. But on the 50K accounts, I will take only one trade a day, one trade per day. For the 300K, I will do 2 trades. You see that here we have a range bar, so we have 24 ticks. So what does it mean? That I don't know if some of you know what is a range bar, but you can see that each one of these candles have the same length. They have all the same length, and in this case, it's 6 points. So each one of these candles here, from the top to the bottom, week included, have 6 points. So you can see here as well, this is a quant hour things. You can see that this candle that's open right now, if it does 6 points higher, it will close here and open a new candle at that level. If it goes lower, it will be here at 50-50. more it moves higher, this one gets closer to the bottom of the candle because the candle 6 points is forming. You can see it. So right now we have from 57 up to 58.25, a few more ticks there to close the candle. So these indicators here show me where the candle will close. If it closed lower or if it closed higher. So right now you see it closed higher at 58. Now the new candle did not actually close there. It's going to close or lower or higher at this level. So now that I showed you what is a freaking bar chart, the idea of the strategy is first have the 2 moving average on the right direction. So for example, if I want a short, I want the trading, not ready, non trade already. If I want to take short, I want the 100 EMA to be lower of the 200, and if I want to go long, I want this 100 EMA to be above the 200s. So this is somehow a way for me to have the right direction. So and follow the trend. So if, for example, right now we're going higher from this turnover, this cross. I'm not gonna short until I see this 101 going back below the 200s. And when I go to short, the idea when I take a short here is let's think, for example, I go back to Friday. I go back to Friday. It's gonna be a little bit of a problem to load. It's a tick chart. Loading one day takes time. Sorry, a range bar takes time. But holiday today. Okay, don't trade. Yes. How are you, man? How long have you been, man? Are you back officially? So let's fake, for example, a case that might work well for this example. No. This one, but it's a losing trade. I mean, it's kind of this one. Not. I don't like it. Wait, I want to show you a good example, but I have to load more tick chart. Let's think about I'm back, but okay. But what? Let's think about these two lines are deposit. Now we have the 100 and the 200 here. What I like to see is that the chart goes out away from this the moving average, pulls back inside the moving average, and creates 3 candles as a pullback. So let's say, for example, you go back here. Right now, it went inside. I want this to create a 3 candles red outside the 101, outside the area. So we went inside. We create 3 red candles outside the area. 3 candles as a pullback. We pushed. We make 3 candles red. In this case, I enter short. Stop loss will be above. Right now I'm doing 10 points, but most probably like my friend is doing, that is the one taught me the strategy, is doing 15 points and is closer to 1-to-1 risk reward, sometimes even more than positive, the 1-to-1, and simple as that. So simple, not really, but it's sometimes right now it's very slow, but you will see tomorrow when you trade the bar chart on the first minutes of the day. Is my friend, is my colleague. We speak every day. We speak every day about trading and stuff like that. So he's a colleague and a friend, an Italian dude. An Italian dude. Yeah. He's using it. He had an amazing August. I used it the 3rd week of August, and I had the week green. The last week of August, I was in holiday. I did not trade. I took one things that I showed you in Discord. He traded all week. He was green. So let's see, guys. We're gonna use it for the next month. I'm happy that I have like kind of mechanical way and not I like this. It doesn't have to be 100% mechanical, but I have this mechanical way of like these things has to happen, a stop loss above, 10-15 points target, depending, you know, what I decide. But for the moment, I'm doing 10, and I'm gonna follow 10. But like the previous past with the 15-minute strategy, when I was losing 15 points to make 10, here is similar. I'm losing around 15 points to make 10. A negative risk reward, but we'll see moving forward how it goes. But yeah, but I think it's easier to show tomorrow during a proper time, because right now this market is just too slow. It's just too slow. I will be your guinea pig for this. Your guinea pig for this month. I will convert free evaluations tomorrow, so we're gonna go to 13 PAs. Hopefully we pass some more, because that's this lifetime fee, $85 lifetime fee. It's great. So if I can save some money from a lifetime fees instead of paying 140, 150, 160, and I can pay $85. Man, focus on yourself and family, Wakey, 100%, man. You have a baby right now. You're not, you know, it's different. Which I support you, brother. Support you 100%. Focus on that. Family is number one. Then there is me, and then there is yourself. So I understand family is first. Do some back testing. I would like to show you, but how that in Quantile is a bit hard. Baby is now a toddler. That's true. Is it already working? Shit, when he was born? These are the days to be out of the market. Yeah, look at this. Look at that candles there, guys. Time is running. Yeah, man. I have to say, yes, time is running. It's crazy how time flies, guys. It's crazy. Time flies, for real. Sometimes we don't even realize it. Let's have fun. So if you're not here, it's gonna be probably a bit too boring for some of you. Let me connect to my Apex account, guys. By the way, the 90% is still running, with the crazy promotion. So if you're thinking to use it, that's my code. It's Hansa. You can use it as many times as you want for the new people. But let's play with one evaluations, because we're not going to trade our PAs today. This price action is not for it. I need to connect to my Apex account. Two-factor authentication here. Confirm. Evaluations. So, for example, account 160. Account 160. Account 160. Time is running. Evaliolo. At account 160. Wait, 160. I have to select it first. Before I messed up, and I have to be sure that I'm not selecting another account. You know, we do that mistakes, we're done. I need to put an order to see if it's the only one taking the order there. Yes. Okay. So for example, let's try it with the temp contracts. I wish along SCP TP 6485 stop 6468. I wish along 6482. You're gone long? Your 82 entry seems still far from today's price action. Ah, okay, not trading today. TP, by the way, 6482. Not that you're. See. Look at that. How do you think market is moving today with this price? Market is sleeping. Market doesn't want to trade today, guys. Same as me. I want to sleep. I'm sleep deprived. After this live, I'm gonna have some good food and go. It's holiday. Guys, what would you... Okay, I have to say, so 80% of my money, guys, is in cash. What would you do with when you have your money mostly in cash? You buy SAP, you buy Pokemon cards, you buy Rolex. What would you do? It's not an amount to buy apartments, okay? I'm not rich. I wish I was rich. Before you start thinking about buy a villa in Miami. Just this year, S&P 500. That's what you meant, or you meant S&P? That's something else. S&P. S&P 500. Okay. You meant the S&P 500. Okay. Just the ACA. I honestly, man, you know what? I should punch myself on the SAP is during the tariff, during Trump tariff, I didn't buy shit, and I was like dumb as hell. I was like, it's gonna go lower. It's gonna go lower. That freaking hell. Thailand house, Bali house. Too far, man. Too far. Which chart is the best on Apex? Tradovate or which chart? It depends on what's the best for you, Marcel. I have a video about it. It's wrong. I think it's written like "Don't buy the wrong account." The title of the video, but specifically because if you have a Mac, like a Mac as a computer device, then Tradovate and WealthChart are the best option for you. If you have a Windows, then Rithmic gets in the game because you can use as well NinjaTrader or Quantower or other platforms. Same if for Tradovate on Windows in NinjaTrader. Depends how you trade. For example, you like to use bar charts. Bar charts are mostly, I believe, I think TradingView has them, Quantower has them, NinjaTrader has them. See, it really depends on what you use, which, for example, maybe indicators you need for your trading. Yeah, it's a few questions you need to answer before deciding. Bad trading hours, and yeah, I mean, yes and no. I'm fine of trading at 9:30, 10:30 p.m. But it has to be that my life, because if I go now to Asia, in Bali, then I have to work from 5 p.m. to 1 a.m. and it sucks. I love Bali. Bro, which gold chart should I trade on WealthChart? Which gold chart should I trade on WealthChart? What do you mean with that? What do you mean with that? Let me pull up WealthChart. I have it here with me. WealthChart. What do you mean with that? Which gold chart should be WealthChart? I mean like minute chart, daily chart, hour chart. That's again, it goes back to the question of what is your strategy? How do you like to trade? So, for example, let me here. You cannot see shit here for the moment. Give me a second. Yes, I'm here. I'm back. So let's say, for example, this is WealthChart, right? And I like WealthChart. The new trading bar here, I think they did a very good job on setting it up. They're as well going to improve more, but it's coming time to time. Time to time? What the heck? I'm seeing that not. No, it depends. You cannot. Okay. Now I understand what you're saying. You cannot trade continuous contract in WealthChart. So you have to go gold contract CME. So just what is the contract in CME right now is GCZ5. Go here and look for GCZ5. Go December 25. You load it, and then you can buy and sell. And buy and sell, and it works. Buy, getting filled, and sell. You can sell it. So you can see here. Which platform you use for trading? I use Quant Tower. That is my main platform here. That's my main platform here. That's what I use for trading. That's my, because I'm using Quant Tower. I'm using Rithmic. I'm connected to Rithmic. But here is WealthChart. This is my testing accounts. So I can buy and sell as much as I want. It does not matter. But yeah, this is honestly the trading bar here on the top, amazing. John B, John Ask, last price, the balance of your account, positions if you are in one simple bracket, multi bracket, and solo, flat, and reverse. They did a good job on this one, to be honest. You're welcome, guys. If you're thinking to buy accounts, just remember, if you're thinking to support my channel, that's my name, Hamza. I'm not a big YouTuber. I'm definitely a small YouTuber. We are like, I think 10 people now in the live stream. But I think this live stream today will finish early just because today it's not a tradable day. There's nothing to do. We're just chatting here. Yeah, man. Take your time. And as always, I never push anyone. Trade what you like. Trade which platform you want. Trade which platform you like. I really, I support Apex. I sponsor. I have the affiliate code. But for me, guys, trade whatever you like. You're welcome in these channels. Whatever make you comfortable, make you relax to trade, make you the best yourself on a trading position. Because trading is already hard. Don't complicate yourself on other things. If you can simplify yourself on other stuff to make your trading a little bit simpler, then do that. If you think this platform is better than this platform, it make you 1% better, do that. That's why I don't like people forcing. There are some people that, for example, will tell you, don't watch my live stream if you don't buy accounts from these platforms or stuff like that. I'm not that person. Use your own money or whatever you want. Trading is already complicated as hell. If we add as well that factor, oh my god. My god. Ooh. Probably we're gonna do 5 more minutes. Let's play. Go like, okay, guys. Long or short? Full contract sites. 17 contracts. Long or short, guys? Tell me, guys. Long or short? Long, short. If it sells off, I'm putting $9,000 as a profit target, so I know how much is it. Okay. Never mind. You just answer. Oh, how many contracts are you trading on that ever? Yeah, full contract sites. So we have a long, short if it sells off. I'd go short. 480 go short. I'm long at 475.25. Interesting, guys. Interesting. So if I go long here and I need $9,000, that's how much you need to freaking pass this 150K account. Oh my God. Okay, let's see if I get filled at 490. Did Apex ever had 90% off? I don't believe so. I've never seen more than 90%. I don't believe that, my Paul. I never seen Apex more than 90%. We're getting to resistance. Yes. I mean, this is a freaking 24 ticks chart, so not the best, but important is that I don't get filled by mistake on my PAs. That sucks. That would suck a lot. And it happened before that I YOLO my PAs by mistake. During the live stream, I did that mistake. I'm long, guys. I'm long. It did happen before. It did happen before. Freaking 10 mini contracts on my 50K account. That was horrible as hell. We're gonna do some payouts before the end of the year, guys. I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. They're coming back. PAs means self-funded, right? Yes, it's correct. PA means self-funded. They were so close to blow up, my PAs. Now they're back alive. So I'm working on them. Especially that 50K account on the top. You know, if it goes well, we can get a payout. It would be nice. Hey, so what? Mufti, welcome back, brother. Yeah, today no trading. We're just YOLOing these evaluations here. By the way, it's so funny with this 20, the range bar. If the price does not change, it can stay here inside this candle for like 10 minutes. And the next candle can be done in 1 second, just because the price moved six points faster than the previous bar. That's the funny things. And last year was amazing. This year, beginning of the year was good. Learning lesson this year, to be honest, it was a great learning lesson. I'm not negative on the year. At least I'm break even, we can say, because I did not spend more fees than what I made in payouts. But yeah, I mean, I have to activate funded accounts today. I will update the price of my expense and everything. Just news trading strategy allowed in peer accounts. I mean, Apex will give you payout if you just trade in news. You can trade news on Apex, but you have to do it with risk management. You cannot YOLO. On the fact that if you are YOLOing the news just because you want to crazy push the account, then you need to have consistency on that. Let's, for example, you YOLO that news and you make 5K. 30% consistency. Now you have to make at least 18 or 17K on that account. You have to then trade again a similar way for the next. You have to show a strategy if they ask you. Yeah, it's you need to have some consistency. I would say always avoid news trading best. Harsh Limbash. I look up. I have a few. I have Harsh Limbasha. You already. Too late for you. Let me see. I just look at the people that Vision by Sam said I look like. We have this kind of similar beer. Freaking hell. Price action that does not exist today, guys. price action that today does not exist. Today YOLOing, nothing will work. Nothing YOLOs today. Today nothing YOLOs. I don't think if I'm gonna stay here that long. I'm gonna call it like that, and for 30 minutes live being after 2 weeks holiday from live streaming is good. I'll say it's good enough. Look at that. We've been in that range of 6 points for how long? That's the funny things. So if we go, for example, let's go to the 1 minute chart. That's curiosity. Let's go to the 1 minute chart. And let's compare it, this chart to the range bar chart. You can see it, how we've been here 1, 2, 3 candles, but here we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles. 7 minutes candle in a free 6 points range bar. Why is too slow today like me? It's holiday. You didn't activate your funded account? Not yet, say when. I'm gonna activate them tonight, later, because the promotion is until tomorrow, I believe. Let me check just to be sure, because if I missed it and then it's my problem. Yeah, 1 day and 13 hours. So I still have it later today to promote it, to convert it. So I did not convert them yet, but I will do it. Tomorrow you will see it. So my idea tomorrow, guys, is gonna be this. That's 50K accounts, all the accounts on the first trade. Then switch to copier, and it's gonna be 300K accounts will have 2 trades. So that's my idea. If I like the price action, I might push as well to 2 trades on all of them if I like it, but I'm gonna try to keep it to 1 trade per day on the 50K accounts. Duck race. Duck race. It's been a long time. I wish to get a payout, to be honest. I wish to get a payout, to be honest. That's how we saw with my friend. One trade, he does 1 trade per day, and he call it. No, in one way is great for discipline. I tried it. I did as well 2 trades, and 2 trades for me works very well as well. So it just to not push it too much, I think, right now. One trade and calling it is good for a while, for maybe, but on the 300K account, 150K account, we can go for 2 trades. After payout, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, after payout, because guys, as much as I love you, but I mean, we need some payouts here. And the last payout, the last payout, guys, was last payout was February 19, 2025. March, June, July, August. Hey, I don't know the months of the year because I skipped April. March, April, May, June, July, August. I don't. How the heck I skipped some 2 months? I don't know. 6 months from my latest payout. How the heck I skipped 2 months? My God. ChatGPT is burning my head. So in February 19 was my latest payout, $721. Never had payout, so infinite time from your latest payout. Let me show you my payouts page. Let me show you my payout page. Where is it? That's it. That's my payout. So 23 was my first ever payout. This is in Instagram. You can see it. That's 70-minute contracts. Yes, it's 7 evaluations. So I'm gonna YOLO. Then I had 1 payout in April. This was as well, I believe, this payout or this payout as well, where with the similar strategy I was using, before with a little bit of DCA. Then here from this strategy, 15 minutes break, 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 until this one. All of them 15 minutes break, and you can see how many days the account survived. 134. This account, I closed it. I requested everything I had inside. 5,282. By the way, I cannot reload. So you can see that it's real. 162, 119 days, 433, 99 days. These guys took 99 days before requesting a payout, the first payout on this account, and then I burned it. 99 days for this account to request one payout. 91 days, one payout. 95 days, one payout. You know, that's the crazy things here, right? And hopefully these things will get smaller and smaller. Hopefully, if we go to peer charts here on the left side, you'll see my accounts right now survive 66, 64, 63, 23 is the latest one here. Since using the strategy, the different one, I had a few good days. Hopefully we can push it, keep continuing like that. Hopefully. The 90% off is until tomorrow, guys. 90% off. And I think guys, it's time to call it. There's nothing to do, guys. I'm gonna have a nice break right now, have a lunch. There's not much to do. See in Discord if you wanna chat, but there is nothing to do. I'm gonna leave this trade running like this. It's probably gonna get closed during market closure at 1 p.m. Eastern. The market will close. I'm gonna let it run until then. Guys, have a lovely day. See you tomorrow for the real live stream that we're back, and have a beautiful time, guys. Thank you so much for coming as always. See you tomorrow. I love you all. See you in Discord. Discord is always free for the moment. Come, link is in the description. Thank you, guys.